Now, second part of system software is utility programs. They perform specific tasks usually related to managing of computer devices and its program. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Some utility programs helps to avoid virus attack, to take backups of data, to recover data that has been accidentally erased. Utility programs include antivirus utility, backup and compression. One by one we will going to see what they define. Antivirus utility. They provide protection to your computer against various attacks. They include tools to recover lost file and protect our machine against system failure. Second is backup. This is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Occasionally, a hard disk may fail, resulting in the loss of files stored in it. Hence, an intelligent user is files on his always its keep file backup on storage devices so that the original files can be restored at the time of such failures. Example, pen drive we can keep, flash drive or CD. The third is compression. It is a process that shrinks file so that less disk space is occupied. These files cannot be read directly and must be decompressed to their actual form before use. Its main example is WinZip. Now we are done with our system software. It was having two subparts, that is operating system we have done and utility programs we have done. Now next to system software is application software. Now what is this application software? Little bit we have already discussed about that application software, that they are aimed to perform a particular task. So these are the set of programs developed by the programmers in order to perform specific types of data like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airlines and railway reservation system, etc. Computer languages are used in creating these types of software. It includes word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management system, desktop publishing software. One by one, we will going to read about these topics. Word processing software. It helps us to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify text and can even produce a hard copy of that document as per your requirement. For example, Microsoft Word and WordPad. Second, we are having electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet programs help you to perform calculation and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze in a better way. It is used for creating document to manage numerical data. Some of its application areas are financial accounting, cost analysis, and interest calculation. Basically, electronic spreadsheets are used if we want to perform any kind of a calculation. Spreadsheets looks like it comprises of vertical columns and horizontal rows. Example of electronic spreadsheet is Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, etc. Third is DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Each one of us using database in our daily life unknowingly. For example, managing telephone directory, payroll information, etc. Database software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way or manner. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print, and retrieve the information stored in a database. For example, Microsoft Access, Oracle, etc. Fourth, we are having desktop publishing software. Desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphics features to design professional document like newsletter, advertisements, book, magazines, etc. Example of desktop publishing software is CorelDRAW, Adobe, InDesign, etc. Some more softwares are also given, girls, in our chapter. First is graphics software. Let us read about this graphics software. It is used to create images such as charts, graphics, logos, photographs, cartoons, etc. For example, Paint we can use, Photoshop is there. Second, we are having multimedia software. It is used to create videos, animation, sounds, graphics, and text with a high degree of interaction. The application which we can use for creating this multimedia is game software, window media player. Last, we are having presentation software. Presentation software is a software which is used to create a slide. Basically, this software helps you to create and display slides on a computer for business and educational purpose. It lets you create slides, charts, animation, video clips, etc. Example of this kind of presentation software are PowerPoint, Flash, etc. So this was all about this chapter. So if we conclude this chapter, so we have studied about the software. Software is a set of instructions, or you can say a set of programs which controls the overall functioning of the computer. Software is divided into two parts. It's of two types: system software and application software. System software is further divided into two parts, that is operating system and utility programs. On the other side, application program is we use application programs or they are aimed to perform a particular task. And last, we have done some different software they have given. Tree software, graphics software, presentation software is there, and one more was there, that is multimedia software. I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. Till then, take care. Thank you, girls.